So good morning once again. So we'll start with exercise 14.2 today. Question 1. It says draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using a ruler. So you'll be requiring one ruler and a pencil. Just a ruler and pencil. Since it's mentioned here draw, you don't need to construct anything here. जब आपको एक word मिले draw, that means with the help of the instruments you just need to draw it. आपको बस वो as it is बनाना है. जब आपको construct word आए, that means you need to use compasses, set squares, anything which will be required in the question. ठीक है? तो here it's just mentioned draw a line, so you'll just use a ruler and a pencil and will draw the length of the desired line of the desired length. Okay, so it's 7.3 here, so you'll just draw a line in a usual way from 0 to 7.3. okay, and since it's a line segment it will have endpoints. You can name it with your own letters of choice and just write 7.3 centimeter. That's it. Okay, that is question 1. Let's move on to question 2 now. Here it says construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compass. So for that you will be requiring compass and a ruler and pencil. If you want to use a separate pencil you can use it, or you can still use the same pencil. Okay, so for that, for constructing a line segment, you need to have one line. Okay, so we'll draw a line like this and we'll name it with a small letter of our own choice. I usually take L. You can take small m, small n, small x, y, z, anything you want. Okay, and then once you have drawn the line, take a starting point on line anywhere but towards the left of the line. Okay, we'll name it. Since it's not mentioned here what letters to be taken for the naming of a line segment, you can take the letters of your own choice. We'll take A, B. Okay, so starting with A. Now since you are supposed to construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter, you need to open your compass of this much length. So it is 5.6 here, as you can see, and I'll just open my compass. Okay, wait, I'll use the plain area. 5.6, and that's my 0 here. So now it has been opened with a radius of 5.6 centimeter. So now I'll keep the pointer on the point which I've taken on the line and I'll just draw an arc like this. If you want you can take the line of a shorter length, but आपने ध्यान रखना है कि वो अंदाजे से आपकी जो given length है उससे थोड़ा बड़ा ही हो. Okay, so I usually take a much greater length of a line. So that's how you'll do question 2. Now this point here where your arc is intersecting at the line, you'll just locate this point like this. Okay, I hope you can see it. Wait a second. Yeah. Okay, so we'll just name it with B. So here you can write line segment AB is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Hope you understood this. Let's move on to third question now. It says construct AB, line segment AB. Since there's a bar on AB, so it's a line segment. Construct line segment AB of length 7.8 centimeter. That's the first part of the question. Second, from this cut off line segment AC of length 4.7 centimeter. That's the second part, and then measure the line segment BC. So यहाँ पर हमें 3 steps में ये question करना है. First, you need to construct AB. Okay, we'll just take a roughly idea. for constructing a line segment, we need to have one line. So we'll draw one line here. We'll take the starting point, since it mentioned AB here. So we'll take the starting point A, and then we'll open our compass of length. We'll open it till the length 7.8 centimeter, and then we'll draw an arc like this by keeping the pointer here on A, and then this point here will be B. Now that's the first part. Second part, for the second part you need to cut off AC of length 4.7 centimeter. Then again you need to measure 4.7 centimeter on compass. Okay, like this, 4.7 centimeter you'll measure, and then you need to cut off AC. So A needs to be there. So we'll start from A, and then we'll draw another arc and we'll name it as C. So now we have cut off the line segment AC, which was of 4.7 centimeter. Now we are left with BC, that you need to measure. Either you can use divider, since we have started like why divider has been used. It's used for measuring the line length of the lines correctly. So like this you can do. You can keep both the pointers on the given points, and then you can keep it like this on the scale, and you can check कि कितना आपका 0 से you'll start with, you'll keep the first pointer on 0 point, and like here just this is just an example, not the exact values. So it's here 2.1, so this will be 2.1. This is just an example. Now we'll do the fair work. Okay, or you can just simply use scale to measure it. Anything you can do. So let's start constructing AB, line segment AB. So for that you can just ignore this. Okay, this is just the rough idea that you need to have in your mind कि आपको करना क्या है exactly question में. Okay, so now let's start. So we'll draw a line first like this, and then I told you need to name the line. I'll use different letter this time. Let's say M. Okay, and then the starting point needs to be A, because it's mentioned here that we have to construct a line segment AB. So we need to start from the point A. Now AB should be of length 7.8 centimeters. This here is 7.8, and I'll pull my pencil till 0. So that's 7.8, and then you'll put the pointer on A and we'll draw an arc like this. So this point here should be B. And now the second part says you need to cut off AC of length 4.7 centimeters. So now we'll measure 4.7 centimeter using using compass. So that's 4.7 here, 4.7, and that's your 0 here. Okay, so that's 4.7. You need to keep your pointer at A. So that's your point C here. Okay, and now you can measure BC. It is 3.1 centimeter. So here you will write AB 7.8 centimeter, AC 4.7 centimeter, and you measured BC, which came out as 3.1 centimeter. Okay, that's how you'll do question 3. Let's move on to question 4 now. Question 4 says, given line segment AB of length 3.9 centimeter. Now given means that's given to you. You don't need to construct it. You just simply draw it on a paper with the help of ruler. Okay, so that's been given to you. You don't need to construct anything. What you need to construct is construct PQ such that the length of PQ, line segment PQ, is twice that of means length of line segment AB. अब आपको PQ को इस तरीके से कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है कि PQ की लेंथ AB के ट्वाइस हो, right? And that you need to verify by measurement. So we'll start with what we have already been given. So we have been given that line segment AB is of length 3.9 centimeters. So we'll just draw line segment AB, okay? So that if we need to measure 3.9 centimeter, we can just simply use that line. So 3.9. So we'll start with 0 and we'll go till 3.9 centimeter accurately. So that's 3.9 centimeter. That's A and that is B. This part is given to you. Now let's do the construction work. Now you need to construct a line segment. So the steps are same. First you need to have one line. I'm really sorry. So this is line. Line will have double-headed arrows. We'll just name it with L. Okay. Since name AB has already been taken by this line. Okay. So and we need to construct PQ. So be careful with the namings. So this will be P here since we need to construct PQ. So this is P. Now PQ is such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. जितना AB है मतलब हम एक बारी AB का आर्क लगाएंगे then again will draw an arc with the same length. Okay. पहले एक बारी लगाएंगे AB का then उसी point से एक और बार लगाएंगे तभी वो डबल हो जाएगा. डबल means twice. So we'll measure AB. So this is our AB. Now we'll keep the pointer on the starting point P here and we'll draw an arc. Now this point here will not be our Q because PQ is twice. If you'll take this point as Q, then PQ will be equal to AB. But that's not what we are supposed to do. PQ should be double of AB. So we'll take another letter for this point. Let's say anything you can take, X. Okay. Then again from this point X, without disturbing our compass, we'll draw another arc. We can just check if it's still AB or not. It's still AB. So by keeping the pointer at X, we'll draw another arc like this. And now this point here will be your Q. Okay. So construction work has been done. Now you have to verify this by measurement. So you'll measure PQ with the help of scale. And PQ has came out as 7.8 centimeter. So you'll write, you can use pencil, you'll do all the construction work on the plain side of your notebook and you can do all the written work on the line pages. Okay. So you'll write verification. Now by measurement, आपने measure किया है ना? By measurement we get PQ equal to 7.8 centimeter, which is actually equal to हमने 3.9 centimeter के 2 arcs लिए थे, right? But now what is 3.9 centimeter? 3.9 centimeter is AB. So we can write this as AB plus this again as AB. So now it implies PQ is equal to 2 times AB, since you know x plus x is 2x. Similarly, AB plus AB is 2AB. So that's how you verified your construction by measurement. I hope you understood this. let's move on to question 5. Now what question 5 says? Question 5 says, given line segment AB of length 7.3 centimeter and CD of length 3.4 centimeter. Two lines have already been given to you. AB जिसकी length है 7.3 centimeter and CD जिसकी length है 3.4 centimeter. Now here comes the construction part. Construct a line segment XY such that the length of XY is equal to the difference between the lengths of line segment AB and line segment CB and verify by measurement. So this is kind of opposite to what we did in question 4. First we'll try to figure out the things कि हमें क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में. आपको AB भी गिवन है, आपको CD भी गिवन है, ठीक है. अब आपको XY इस तरीके से कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी है कि XY इन दोनों का डिफरेंस जितना है उतनी लेंथ की आपकी बने, ठीक है. तो ये हमने AB ड्रॉ की, दिस वी ड्रॉन AB suppose and this is CD. Then we'll draw a line, we'll take the starting point, we'll name it X, this is AB, okay, this is AB, this is CD, and then we'll draw a line, we'll name it like L, we'll start with X, and then first step is to measure this line segment AB, and then starting from X we'll draw an arc of similar length like AB, and then we'll name this point something else but not Y, because then XY will be equal to AB, but that's not we are supposed to do. XY should be the difference between AB and CD. So we'll take another letter for this, suppose Z, and now we have drawn XZ. अब हमें इसमें से CD को cut off करना, like we did in question 3, cut off AC if you remember. Okay, so we'll cut this length CD. तो जब इस distance में से CD निकल जाएगा तो what will left with is the difference between AB and CD, है ना. ये पूरा AB है, उसमें से अगर हम CD को यहाँ से निकाल देंगे we'll left with their difference which will be equal to XY. तो अब हमें उसमें से CD को निकालना है. तो अगर हमें CD को उसमें से cut off करना है, we'll not keep our pointer at X, because अब हम CD को उसमें से remove कर रहे हैं. अगर हम X से यहाँ से CD जितना आर्क लगाएंगे, this X will be removed, but हमें X चाहिए अपने construction में, but हमें Z की requirement नहीं है. So this time we'll keep our pointer here and draw an arc equal to CD like this, and this point here will be our Y. So that's our rough work. अब हम fair work करते हैं. Okay, let's start. Okay, so first we'll draw the things that we have been given, like AB of length 7.3 centimeters. So I'll just draw a line segment. .3 centimeter. This is A, this is B, and this is 7.3 centimeter. Then CD, we'll draw CD which is of length 3.4 centimeter. This here is 3.4 centimeter, this C, and this is D, and this is 3.4 centimeter. Now we are supposed to construct XY. So for that, for constructing a line segment, we need to have a line. Good. Okay. Steps are very similar. बस आपने ध्यान रखना है कि क्या करना है, क्या एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट पूछा गया है क्वेश्चन में. So I'll take the same letter L. You can take any letter if you want. And then we'll start with X here. And then you need to measure AB. We'll measure AB like this. This here is AB. We'll keep our pointer at X and we'll draw an arc like this. So this point here, as I told you, will not name it as Y, but some other letter, let's say Z. Now we need to cut off CD from this line segment. So I'll measure CD. This is CD here, okay. So I need to, this letter is extra in our construction part, so I'll cut off this point and I'll just draw an arc like this here, okay. So this point here I'll name as Y. So now you can, the construction part has been done. Now you have to verify by measurement. So you need to measure this length. XY is, here you can see, is 3.9, right? It's slightly lesser than 3.9, but it should be itna chalega, okay? But you need to be more accurate, so keep your pencil sharp. For every question, sharpen your pencil. So it's 3.9. So we'll do the verification work now. You'll write verification. Okay. So you'll write by measurement we get, or we have, anything you can use, XY equal to 3.9 centimeter. But how did you get it? First you drew a line segment of 7.3 centimeter and then you cut off a line segment of 3.4 centimeter, right? But what is 7.3 centimeter? That's AB. And what is 3.4 centimeter? CD. So that's how you got XY is the difference between AB and CD. I hope you understood. But still, if you get any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.